How to transfer Google Photos from one phone to another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can transfer Google Photos from one phone to another phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to transfer your Google Photos from one phone to another phone, the easiest way to do is to simply back up them to your Google Photos. So you have Google Photos, make sure to tap the profile icon here and then tap on backup, and then make sure you back up all the photos and videos. And after you do this, whenever you log into your Google account on another phone with the same Google account on the Google Photos app, all of the photos are going to show inside of your Google Photos application. So it's not that you have to necessarily transfer it. As long as you can back it up to the same account and log into the same account, then you can go ahead and then restore those photos. But let's say you're trying to send them to a friend and not necessarily you want to log into your Google account. Well, in that case, you can also just share the photos by basically tapping the sharing option, as you can find here. Once you tap the sharing option, you can basically create an album, and once you create a certain album, you can just go ahead and then make sure to share that album if you'd like. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then transfer Google Photos from one phone to another. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.